Hello, welcome to A Rosy Math Teacher. This is 5th period again today, and we are still working on solving two-step inequalities. Everybody today is wide awake. If they're not, they're going to pretend. And they're going to help us solve item number 7 for tonight's homework. It says 3 is less than or equal to 1/3 plus x. Class, what's the first step? Go to the variable side. Please circle the variable side. If you circled 1/3 plus x, say, I did.
I did.
Excellent. Thank you. I can hear you today. Okay, now find the constant there. What is the constant you should circle? Call it out.
1/3.
1/3. Thank you for saying 1/3. That's the same thing. Thank you. And do the inverse operation. If it was positive 1/3, what will I now do, Braden?
Negative 1/3.
Negative or take away 1/3. Correct. Do that on both sides. Where will I write take away 1/3? Under what, Bram?
Underneath 3.
Underneath 3. Class, do this as well. Do this on both sides. So on the left, guys, I'm going to save that and come back to it. I don't want you accidentally including the 7. We're going to come back and I'll teach you how to do 3 take away 1/3. But for now, please leave space for that. Copy your less than or equal to symbol. And then 1/3 take away 1/3 would equal what? Say it.
0.
0. Great. Which means I have permission to what? Obliterate. You remembered my big word. Okay, what is the only sign I will now write after the inequality symbol? Say it. X. You got it, guys. Now we've got to do 3 take away 1/3 so that we know what to write inside my blue box. Now, guys, if you have 3, let's pretend these are donuts. Who likes donuts? Anybody like donuts? Yay! They taste delicious. Miss Rosie doesn't eat very many donuts, but they are delicious. I hope you enjoy. Okay, when you eat these donuts, if you have this many donuts, how many donuts do you see?
3.
3. Now imagine someone comes along, cuts this donut into 3 equal pieces, and they eat one of the pieces. How much just got removed from the donut? Say it. 1/3. Can we use the picture to find out how much is left?
Sure.
How many whole donuts are left?
2.
2. And how many thirds are left?
2.
2. So what amount goes in my blue box?
2. No.
2 and
1/3. 1/3.
6.
Lexi's got it. Say it again.
2/3.
2/3. 2 and 2/3. Class, wave if you understand how we got 2 and 2/3. Okay? So now that you know 2 and 2/3 is less than or equal to x, I place my dot above 2 and 2/3. Now wait, they didn't really give me a 2 and 2/3 spot, did they?
No.
So how many sections can I split the area into so that I can indicate 2 and 2/3? Split a certain section into how many equal parts? How many equal parts are thirds, y'all?
3.
3. Now here's the tricky part. Do I split where my red lines are, or do I split where my blue lines are? Say it, class.
Blue.
Blue, you got it right. Excellent. So guys, go ahead and split where my blue lines are. Do that in your book as well, so that you can see to go from 2 to the first line is 2 and 1/3. 2 to the second line is 2 and 2/3. 2 to the line that says 3 is either 2 and 3/3 or 3, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, so place your plotted point or your dot where it belongs. Did you place it where I now have my open dot? Does everyone understand why I placed my dot right there?
Yeah.
What does it represent? Say it again. 2 and 2/3. Now, should I keep it open because I have only a less than symbol, or should I make it closed because I have a less than or equal symbol? Say it, class. Closed. Close it in. Now I've got one more step for you. Earlier I asked my kids, which way do you think the arrow will go? And a bunch of kids yelled left. Does anybody know why it will not go left? Tell me, Bram.
Because it's an equal to sign.
That's not the reason it won't go
It's less
left.
than. It's less than or equal
But why?
Because the x
the amount is less than or equal to the x. And you must always graph the inequality from the x's point of view. So guys, look on the side, eyes up here, look on the side facing the x. Is the alligator mouth ready to eat the bigger lunch?
Yes.
Yes. So the x is on the side that is what? Less or greater? Greater. Which way does an arrow go to indicate greater than?
Right.
To the right. So draw your arrow to the right. Everybody draw your arrow to the right. Now, if you forget how to tell from that, do you realize you can turn your book upside down right now? Everybody turn your book upside down. I can't turn this upside down right now. But when you turn it upside down, do you see how it now shows you that x is greater than 2 2/3? Your equal part is in the wrong place. But do you see how it helps you see x is greater when you turn it upside down to make the x come first? Okay? So that way you know your arrow goes to the right. I hope that helps you on tonight's homework. You may stop.